In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between QuickBooks and Xero. We'll walk through a simple way to get reliable, up-to-date information directly from one of the software providers, so you're not just relying on random opinions. All you'll need is an internet connection and a web browser. Start by opening your preferred browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar at the top of the screen, click once so it's active, then type in Xero versus QuickBooks. Make sure you spell the names correctly so the right results appear. When you're done typing, press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to a Google results page focused specifically on comparing these two accounting platforms. On the results page, you'll see different links from review sites, blogs, and software companies. For this walkthrough, look for the official Xero website result that mentions accounting software for small businesses. The link text may say something like, Xero, accounting software for small businesses. Because it's from the official provider, it's a good starting point for accurate feature lists and current pricing. Go ahead and click that link. You'll now be taken to the Xero website. The layout may vary slightly depending on your region, but you should see general information about what Xero offers, including features, benefits, and who it's designed for. Take a moment to let the page load completely. Next, use your mouse or trackpad to scroll down the page. You can do this by rolling the scroll wheel, dragging the scroll bar on the side, or swiping down on a touchpad or touchscreen. As you scroll, you might notice sections that highlight features like invoicing, bank reconciliation, reporting, and integrations. These will give you a basic idea of what Xero can do. Keep scrolling until you find a section or link specifically titled Xero versus QuickBooks, or something very similar. This is usually a dedicated comparison page that lays out how Xero stacks up against QuickBooks. Once you see that Xero versus QuickBooks link, click on it. This will open a focused comparison page. Here, you'll typically see side-by-side details on features, pricing tiers, ease of use, and sometimes even customer support differences. Take your time on this page. Read through the tables, note which features matter most to your business, and consider how each option fits your budget and workflow. This structured comparison will help you make a more informed decision between QuickBooks and Xero based on verified information rather